Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach lesson 7 National Ports of India. Student, India has a coastline of 7,517 km with 12 major ports and 200 notified non-major ports along the coastline and Iceland. Ports provide an interface between the ocean transport and land-based transport. Major ports are the ports which are administered by the union government, while non-major ports are administered by the state government. So student, see first one. Student, what is the name of this port? Is the Kolkata Port, West Bengal. Student, Kolkata Port is the only riverine major port in India, having an extent about 138 years. It has a vast hinterland comprising the entire eastern India, including West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, UP, MP, Assam, Northeast state, and the two landlocked neighboring countries, namely Nepal and Bhutan. See student, second one is the Paradip Port, Odisha. Student, Paradip Port is one of the major ports in India. The government of India took over the management of the port from the state government on 1st June 1965. The government of India declared Paradip Port Trust PPT as the 8th major port in India on 18th April 1966, making it the first major port on the East Coast commissioned in independent India. Student, third one. Their name is the New Mangalore Port, Karnataka. Student, New Mangalore Port was declared as the 9th major port of 4th May 1974 and was formally inaugurated on 11th January 1965. The major commodities imported through the port are POL, crude of Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemical Limited, coal, iron ore, fines, LPG, fertilizer, etc. Student, is the Cochin Port, Kochi, Kerala. The modern port of Cochin was developed during the period 1920 to 1940 due to the untiring effort of Sir Robert Bristow. The port of Cochin is located on the Wellington Island on the southwest coast of India, about 930 km south of Mumbai and 320 km north of Kanyakumari. Student, this is the Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Constructed in the mid-1980s and commissioned on 26 May 1989, Jawaharlal Nehru Port has come a long way by becoming a world-class international container handling port. It is situated along the eastern shore of Mumbai harbour of Elephanta Island. Student, this is the Mumbai Port, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Mumbai Port is the second oldest major port in India after Kolkata. It is situated almost midway on the west coast of India. The port was long been principal gateway of India. Student, there is the Kamarjara Port Limited, Tamil Nadu. Kamarjara Port Limited, the 12th major port under the Ministry of Shipping, was commissioned in 2001 primarily as a coal port dedicated to handling thermal coal requirement of Tamil Nadu. Is the coal port dedicated to handling thermal coal requirement of Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. KPL has the distinction of being the only corporate port amongst the major ports administered by the central government. Student, this is Chennai Port, Tamil Nadu. Chennai Port is an all-weather air facial harbor with one outer harbor and one inner harbor with a wet dock and a boat basin with round-the-clock navigation facilities. The port was established in 1875. Sea strength. Next one is the Mormongo Port. Mormongo Port, situated on the west coast of India, is more than a century old port. It has modern infrastructure capable of handling a wide variety of cargo. It is a natural harbor protected by a breakwater and also by a mole. The port has excellent infrastructure and a conducive work culture. You can see is the V.O. Chidambarar Port Trust, Tamil Nadu. V.O. Chidambarar Port is located on the southeastern coast of India in the Gulf of Mannar, with Sri Lanka on the southeast and the large land mass of India on the west. The port is well sheltered from the fury of storm and cyclonic winds and is operational round the clock all through the year. Sister station is the Kandala Port Trust, Kutch, Gujarat. Kandala Port Trust has been renamed as Deen Dayal Port Trust with effect from 25th September 2017. Kandala Port was established in the year 1950 as a central government project and union government took over Kandala for its development as a major port. Assistant is the Visakhapatnam Port Trust, Andhra Pradesh. Port of Visakhapatnam, a natural harbour, is located almost between Kolkata and Chennai on the east coast of India. The port has mechanized handling facilities for iron ore, iron plates, alumina, fertilizers, raw material, crude oil and POL product, liquid ammonia, phosphoric acid, etc. See student, after that lesson 8 is the top 10 study abroad countries. So student C is the University of Auckland, is a public university based on Auckland, New Zealand. It is the largest, most comprehensive and highest ranked university in New Zealand and constantly placed among the top 100 university in the world by QS World Ranking. The institution was established in 1883 as a constituent college of University of New Zealand. Originally it was housed in a discus course level. Today the University of Auckland is New Zealand's largest university by environment, hosting about the 40,000 students on 5 Auckland campus. The city campus in central Auckland has the bulk of the student and facilities. There are 8 facilities including a law school as well as 3 research institutes associated with the university. Second one is the C. You know the figure is the Chulalongkorn University, Thailand. A nickname Chula is a public and autonomous research university in Bangkok, Thailand. The university was originally founded during King Chulalongkorn region as a school for training royal peace and civil servant in 1899 at the Grand Palace of Thailand. It was later established as a national university in 1917, making it the oldest institute of higher education in Thailand. So student, this one is the University of Barcelona, Spain. The University of Barcelona is a public institution that was founded in 1450. The urban university has multiple campuses spread throughout Barcelona and the surrounding area on the eastern coast of Spain. The humanities campus in the city center is the university main location. is the University Nacional Autónoma de Mexico, was founded in 1551, making it the oldest institution of higher education in North America. In the academic world, it is recognized as a university of excellence. The UNAM is a space of freedom, respect, tolerance, and dialogue are practiced on a daily basis. 16 is the University of Toronto, is a public research university in Toronto, located on the ground that surrounded Queen Park. It was founded on Royal Charter in 1827 as King College, the first institution of higher learning in Upper Canada. So, these are the some point about the top university in the world. So, the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.